Are you tired of manual iCloud web login and email sending? What if I tell you everything can be done automatically, safely, and human-like? Boss, this is not theory. This is a real working automation system. Today, I'm showing you my iCloud web email automation bot, built using BAS, Browser Automation Studio. This bot logs into iCloud Web, handles real-world login issues, and sends emails exactly like a human. No shortcuts, no risky tricks. Pure professional automation. First, proxy support. This bot supports all types of proxies: HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS 5, residential, mobile, everything. Every session runs with a unique browser fingerprint. Canvas, WebGL, time zone, language, user agent, fully configured, so iCloud sees a real user, not a bot. Next, smart login handling. This is where most bots fail, but not this one. The bot automatically detects wrong password, verification error, CAPTCHA, security challenge, temporary block, and reacts intelligently, just like a human would. If login succeeds, it moves forward. If not, it handles the error cleanly. No crash, no blind retry. After successful login, the bot opens iCloud Mail and sends emails step by step. Natural typing speed, real mouse movement, random delays, human-style behavior. Subject, body, recipients, everything customizable. This is not spam automation. This is human behavior email automation. This system is perfect for bulk email workflows, account-based automation, client projects, and advanced web automation use cases. Built for stability, stealth, and scalability. If you want this bot or need a custom automation solution, contact me now. Automation done right. Automation done professionally.